Hello everybody, Tahina here, and today I wanted to show you the main planner kit for Coco Daisy's January kit. Okay, so the kit is called Nordic Skies. I like the little fox, that's cute. We always get a little card that says what the kit is. And it's been a while since I've had Coco Daisy. I used to be subscribed to them back in like 2016 or so. And so like they have changed stuff since I've been subscribed. Like these we used to get in plastic, like a plastic bag. But now you get the kit in this, which is cool because I have like so many old inserts from Coco Daisy. Now I can put them in here to organize them. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the washi that you get in the main planner kit. This is really cute. Like, it's not going to be like an everyday kind of washi. You know, I'm not going to use it every day, but it is cute. And I've seen the other washies in the other kits, and this month, this was the cutest washi. So I'm happy that the planner kit actually got this one. Because the other ones were like, they looked like day-to-day that you could use a lot. Even though you can't really use this like every day. Well, you could, but I mean, you wouldn't. You would use it like in the wintertime, maybe every day. But that's fine. Okay, so next up is the pen, and I've never seen them have a gold pen. I think Christine said that she's never done gold. And so just this alone, I wanted this kit. Well, I was going to get the kit anyway. As soon as I seen the pen, I thought it was cool. And then next up, we got some die cuts. Let's see if I can open them. Okay, so we always get die cuts in the main planner kit. And I know you get die cuts in other kits, but Christine always says that she says you always get different die cuts. And you always get some tabs too. I think you always get 6 tabs. I think it is. So, there's some butterflies. I think that's a moth. Oops. Some more birdies. Yes, 6 tabs. So that's all the die cuts. Oops. Sorry, trying to put them all in frame. Okay, so, and these are stickers. She says these are stickers as well. They don't feel like sticker paper though. They don't look like sticker paper. Oh, they are sticker paper. Okay, they're like cardstock stickers. Okay, I wonder if she's always had them like that, because I know these have always been in the main planner kits when I used to be subscribed, so I have to look to see if those are too. Okay, so we got those. Next up is a clip. I would say about 90% of the time you would get a clip in the main planner kit. And I like these big clips. And I like the little danglies. And it's got, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a little acorn right here. And the rest are stars. That's cute. I like that. then in this little bag we have, that's another thing about Cocoa Daisy. They always give you 2 refills. And then here's a card that says Hello 2023. And on the back is a pen test and a stamp test. Before, you would get this on both sides. And she said she decided, because not everybody uses this, I don't use this at all. So she decided to put something else on this side so you could use it like a card. So that's cool. I'm going to put that in my planner. And then you always get a notepad with the planner kit as well. I like that it's grid. And I like the little owl. That's cute. Next up are sticky pads. I'm pretty sure, or a sticky pad. I'm pretty sure you always get this in the planner kit. I'm not going to open this because this particular one I would not use. It says, hopefully you can see it, it says the goal and it says the plan. So I know I would definitely not use this, so I'm probably going to sell this. This is one item that I was excited about, and I'll tell you why. Because she put this in here, and it's the whole year of 2023, like a monthly little calendar or planner. And I thought this was a good idea because I like to have like a little planner in my purse. So when I go to an appointment, because sometimes I forget appointments, sometimes I think it's one day and it's another day. So I like to have a little planner in my purse. So when I go to make another appointment, I can look, oh, okay, the 25th, I have nothing. So I can have the appointment, you know. It's real handy just to have, and I'm glad she had this. But this is, like, it's not staying flat, so I'm going to have to put, like, a book over it so it would be flat, so it doesn't mess up in my purse. But I'm definitely going to use this because I was going to get, like, an A5 planner, like a hardbound planner to put in there, but since it came with that, I don't have to do that. Next up are stickers. You always get stickers in the planner kit as well. And they have changed since I've gotten the kit, the planner kit. Because you used to get, like, you would get stickers like this, but they'd be bigger. Like these would be like super, super big. So I'm glad she started making them smaller. That's good. And letters and numbers and stuff. And some boxes. That's good. And some deco. I'm glad that we get deco in here. Because it used to be like a little tiny thing that had like scripts. I think she still has those, but it's in a different kit now. I think it's like in the planner add-on. And then this is new to me, at least. But from what I hear, she always adds this little thing. Oops, sorry. So this little thing, you can either hole punch it and put in your planner, or you could put your sticky notes on here, which is cool. But I wouldn't want to do that because then you're gonna cover the penguin. So I wouldn't do that anyway, because I've done that before where sticky notes like will fall off these things. So I don't like doing it anyway. And on here it says things are looking up. Sorry if you can hear my cat. Next up are the papers, and you always get 3 double-sided papers in the planner kit. So we have this like night sky, which is pretty, and then like a like a lavender polka dot. And then we have the penguin. I like this one. I'm definitely going to use this side in my planner. And then we have the snowflakes. And then we have the birds with the moss or butterflies, whatever you want to call them. And then a grid. I was going to say a graph. Grid on this side. I'm probably going to use these two in my planner. We will see. And then lastly is the inserts. And you can pick I want to say there's like 15 different inserts you can get. But I chose the B6. When I used to be subscribed, I used to do the A5. But I think last year or the year before, I changed to the B6. And I liked the B6 because the B6 seemed to be the perfect size. Because the A5 was a little big for me because I don't have that many plans. Like, I don't have 50,000 things to do. I have stuff I want to do and stuff I need to do. You know, so I don't need that much room. But here is you always get the tab for the month, which is cool. I like this. Because usually it's white and then it has some art on it. But I like how it's different. And then on this side, you always get the month. The only thing about this, but I noticed they used to put the year here, I believe, if I remember correctly. Maybe not. I might be tripping. Because they put the month here, it kind of jacks you up because, say, I got the January kit and I decided to go another route in January. Like, I didn't want to use these. So when I go to use them next year, this is not going to be cool for me no more. So, not saying nothing, but I'm just saying, like, you could do stuff. You could put stickers there, or you could put little dots here to make how it really is. But I'm just saying, I wish it was just art. That way, you know, you wouldn't have a bad month here. Because, like, say, I did it for 2024, right? And I'm like, oh, okay, when is the 3rd? And I look on here and it's Tuesday, but it's not Tuesday in 2024. See, I don't want to forget that this was 2023 because I don't see 2023. I just see January. You always get 5 weeks of everything in here, which is cool because some months there might be 4 weeks, so you'll have extras, and some months you'll have 5 weeks, which you can use. So it's cool. This is the week at a glance. I really like this. This was the first time I actually noticed anybody using this. And I thought it was cool because you can always put your appointments up here so you know. So I like how you can see how busy your week's going to be. So, and then on the other side, it's, oh, I thought it was just blank. It's not. It's a dot grid. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not because I've barely seen it. But it is a faint dot grid. Next up is the weekly. So you got a grid here. If I remember correctly, this kind of changes. So it could be a grid, it could be blank, it could be dot grid. It just depends. Now, the last time I actually went with Cocoa Daisy, the B6 was a horizontal. And when I started looking into them again, I found out that everybody wanted the B6 to be vertical. So this is the first time I'm dealing with the vertical. My 7x9 planner is not a vertical. I've tried a vertical and it doesn't work for me. So hopefully, maybe because this is smaller, it might work for me. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But for now, I'm going to be a B6. This does not work for me, then I'm going to go back to A5. Because I think A6 is going to be too small for me. And then the other side is grid too. And so you should have 5 weeks here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So you get 5 weeks of the weekly. Then you have your monthly. The side of the monthly is always the notes. You could do like lists or anything like that. And then the other side is always a year at a glance. So you can say, oh, okay, next month in February, I have like 5 birthdays, so I gotta buy presents or something, which I like. And then here's the monthly. And I really like this because the last time I had the inserts were like, it had art, but not like this. Like it would be white with art. I like that it's like this though. This is very pretty. It pops more, you know. So, and winter is the season of recovery and preparation. I like that. And then you go into your dailies. Now your dailies, I'm pretty sure you get 31 or 32. I don't know why you get 32 because I could have sworn it was 32. I could be wrong, but you get 31 just in case there is 31 days in the month. So they don't change it toward like February. I think February, because it's 28 days, I think you still get the 32. I can't remember. It's been a while, but and she might have changed it. I like these dailies because you get different checklists. Instead of one big checklist or an hour and then a checklist, you know, because the hours I don't have meetings and appointments and all that crap, so I don't need the hours. But I do need the checklist because there might be work checklists, home checklists, personal checklists, social media checklists. You know, that's why I like these. And then on the other side is a grid, which is cool. I don't know, they used to change it where sometimes it would be a grid, sometimes it would be other stuff, like more checklists. I don't know if they still do that or not. I like that. And they always have like a little notes here. This one says things to remember. They used to change it up. Like it used to, you know, would say like notes, or it would say important, or, you know, it would just depend. And I think at one time they used to have a water tracker on here too. And it seems like they took that out, which is good because not everybody tracks the water. But yeah, so that is the Cocoa Daisy main planner kit. I was going to get some other kits, but for this round or this month, I decided not to because the sneak peeks were not really my favorites. So I decided just to get this, and then maybe February I probably will add something else because February is my birthday month and I will want to splurge in February. So I probably will get more planner kits for February. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this or me planning with these inserts, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you next time.